Welcome everybody to your channel Competitive Pedia. Today we are going to start static GK question MCQs practice. It is your set 4. So let's begin with the session. Now who are the targeted audience? All SSC aspirants, railway aspirants, aspirants of other state exams, state public service commission aspirants, and if any other exams other than these, those one-day exams are also beneficial. First question, who was the president of Indian National Congress when India became independent? So your answer is option C, JP Kriplani. Clear? So when India became independent in 1947, JP Kriplani was the president of the Congress. Now JB Kriplani was an Indian politician, Gandhian socialist, mystic and independence activist. Now JP Kriplani's wife Sucheta Kriplani was the first woman chief minister of India and she served as the chief minister of Uttar Pradesh from 1963 to 1967. Now in the election of Congress president in 1950, Kriplani was defeated by Purushottam Das Tandon. Clear? Next question, Salar Jung Museum is located in which of the following city? So your correct answer is option B, Hyderabad. Clear? Now, the Salar Jung Museum is an art museum located at Dar ul Shifa on the southern bank of the Mushi River in the city Hyderabad, which is in Telangana, India. It is one of the 3 national museums of India. Originally, it was a private art collection of the Salar Jung family and it was given to the nation after the death of Salar Jung III. Now the Salar Jung Museum boasts of artifacts collected by Nawab Mir Yusuf Ali Khan Salar Jung III, who was the former Prime Minister of 7th Nizam of Hyderabad. Now the museum is also the 3rd largest museum in India and houses a collection of ancient manuscripts, ceramics, metal artifacts, carpets, sculptures, textile, paintings and clocks. So these are some things you have to keep in mind. Next question, which of the following river originates from the Amarkantak hills? So your answer is option A, Narmada. Clear? So Narmada river flows through Amarkantak in Unupur district, Madhya Pradesh. Narmada is also called Rewa. Clear? It is a river in central India and it is the 6th longest river in the Indian subcontinent. And it is the 3rd longest river that flows entirely within India after Godavari and Krishna. It is also known as the lifeline of Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh for its immense contribution to Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh in many ways. The Narmada rises from the Amarkantak plateau near the Unupur district. Emperor Ashok was the ruler of which of the following dynasty? The correct answer is option D, Maurya dynasty. Clear? Now, Chakravarti Emperor Ashok was the great emperor of the world famous and powerful Indian Maurya dynasty. The full name of Emperor Ashok was Devanampriya Ashok Maurya. His reign was from 269 BC to 232 in ancient India. The Chakravarti Emperor Ashok of the Mauryan dynasty ruled Akhand Bharat. Now, Itai disease is caused by the poisoning of which of the following elements? So our answer is option A, cadmium. Clear? Now, Itai disease was officially recognized in 1968 as the first disease induced by environmental pollution in Japan. Now, Itai disease is caused by exposure to cadmium, which result from human activities related to industrialization. Itai disease is characterized by osteomalacia with severe bone pain. It was first reported in the cadmium polluted Zinzu River basin of Toyama administration in Japan. Now, cadmium is a toxic metal whose exposure to industrial workplaces, plant soil, and smoke is common. Yeah. Now, next question. Which of the following is the most abundant and lightest gas found in the universe? So, our answer is option B, hydrogen. Clear? So, hydrogen was discovered by Henry Cavendish in 1766 and he obtained it by reaction of dilute sulfuric acid on iron and named it flammable air. In 1883, Lavoisier named it hydrogen. Clear? Which because it burns with oxygen to form water. Now, hydrogen is a chemical element and it is the first element in the periodic table and also the lightest. It is found in the most abundance in the universe. Next question, Knesset is the parliament of. So your correct answer is option A, Israel. Knesset is the parliament of Israel. So name of some parliament of some countries are as follows, like Israel parliament name is Knesset, USA parliament name is United States of Congress, Russia parliament name is Federal Assembly, and Spain is Courts Generales. It is its parliament name. So please keep it in mind. Now, what is the SI unit for measuring temperature? So SI unit for measuring temperature is your Kelvin. Correct answer is option C, Kelvin. Okay. So Kelvin is the measurement of temperature and is used in the international standard system of measurement. Now some other physical quantities and their SI units are as follows, like length it is meter, for mass it is kilogram, for time it is second, for electric current it is ampere, for temperature it is Kelvin, for luminous intensity candela, and for amount of substance it is mole. Okay, please keep it in mind, these are also very important. Next, Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched the PM Kisan scheme on 24th of February 2019 in, so your answer is option A, Gorakhpur, Uttar Pradesh. Clear? So, Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched the PM Kisan scheme on 24th of February 2019 at Gorakhpur, Uttar Pradesh. Under this scheme, an amount of rupees 6,000 per year is transferred in 3 equal installments of rupees 2,000 in every 4 months, and it is being directly deposited into the bank accounts of the farmers. Now next, who invented steam engine? So our answer is option C, James Watt. He invented the steam engine. So here it is, steam engine inventor James Watt, and let's have a look on some other inventors, like Thomas Edison invented electric light bulb. Now, television inventor was John Logie Baird. Telephone inventor was Alexander Graham Bell, and penicillin inventor was Alexander Fleming. This is the most important question. Hundred of times it has been repeated in the exam, so please keep it in mind. So guys, this was for the day. Thanks for watching the video till the end. If you like our video, please do subscribe our channel, share the channel among your friends, groups, and happy learning from the team Competitivepedia. May God bless you all. Thank you.